Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about XRP. We talk about XRP quite a lot on this channel because we think there is massive potential behind it. So make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel if you hold XRP. If you like XRP, make sure to like the video and turn notifications on. Let's talk more about why XRP is continuing to rise at such solid rates. We see a 15.37% increase in the last 24 hours alone. If we take a look at the last week, we see about a 38% increase, which is massive. We continue to see these crazy green trends up, and we continue to see those within the last month alone, a 181.53% increase coming from about 55 cents. It's just a crazy increase, and we're going to continue to see this increase, in my opinion, here in the future. We're going to be going over my price predictions for May, June, and 2021 here at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Do remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so always do your own research before investing into any crypto, as it is very volatile. We also see that, we got all the way to $1.96, almost a $2 price point at April 14th at 12 a.m. So we do have a while to go to get to that all-time high that we were once at. However, after the crypto market kind of dipped down to about 97 cents for XRP, a lot of people grabbing bags at that 97-cent price point are now seeing great profits. So congratulations if you guys were able to snag a bag at 97 cents. You grabbed at a perfect time, as we see that market cap at 72.3 billion right now. The volume in the last 24 hours being that 12.3 billion, and the circulating supply being 45.4 billion XRP. So this market cap is very large. I do want to say, for the time being, XRP is in a fairly good spot, but this market cap at some point is going to have to dip back down for a little bit before we see another rise. I do think this market cap is a fairly large, and because of that, there is going to be a lot of volatility depending on this SEC action against Ripple Labs. So if you guys don't know, obviously, if you don't know this, somehow you've been living under a rock or you haven't been investing in Ripple, which is fine. But in light of the SEC's action against Ripple Labs, Inc., trading in XRP has been suspended as of January 19th, 2021 on pretty much every big exchange. You can't grab Ripple. So it's just one of those things right now that we continue to see prices go up, and once it's out of this SEC action and we see it available again on all of these exchanges, we're going to continue to see Ripple climb, and I really do believe that. So we see XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment networks, built for enterprise use. XRP aims to be fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So before we talk more about the price charts and the price analysis there, let's jump into some of the most recent news and information on Twitter. So we do see the future of banking is Ripple Net Cloud. Learn how its speed and efficiency enables financial institutions to compete more effectively. So definitely take a look at this article. I think this is definitely one worth looking into. I'm going to like the article for you so you guys can take a look at this. Jump into the article. There's a little bit too much to read that I'm not going to read on the video, so if you are interested in it, take a look, because it is big, really a big cloud network that kind of gives you an idea of why it's so important for the future of Ripple and of cryptocurrencies all as pretty much a whole. So if you want to jump into that, make sure to jump into the description located in the, in the description, there's a link located below for my Twitter as well as my Discord. You can jump in both of those, and I try to give you guys that crypto information as quickly as possible. So we also see here UBRI continues to grow with 40 universities creating new cases for blockchain and crypto across the globe. Welcome to these people, and obviously another great article to check out for Ripple as we continue to see more and more growth. We also see, if you go to their actual Twitter account themselves, definitely follow them on Twitter. I always like hitting the follow button in front of you guys, but always hit the follow button on Twitter. The United States have not provided clarity. The United States is the only country on the planet that has said XRP is anything other than a currency. CEO of Ripple. So this is a big thing, as well as they are currently going through a lot of media right now. It's a great time to really understand how their vision works and how everything kind of comes together with XRP and Ripple. So they're also looking to build tomorrow's diverse fintech workspace or workforce. So step one, the University Blockchain and Research Initiative, UBRI. Learn more about their initiative. So if you guys didn't know what UBRI is when I mentioned it here, it's continuing to grow. It's part of Ripple. It's going to continue to grow. I think, they're doing great things across the globe, and we'll continue to see that. If you go to Ripple's page here, we go to ripple.com, there's a lot more to actually research on ripple.com. I do want to go to their story, though. This is actually what we're going to be focused on for a little bit here. So the 500 employees, 9 global offices, 3 times year-to-year customer growth. So this is massive. We're seeing insane growth. We're seeing great amounts of employees and offices, obviously showing that they have global presence. We see the future of global finance finance. So unlocking the power of blockchain, creating an inclusive financial system, accelerating the internet of value. They also see, we build decentralized financial solutions for the real world. They have unique technology. What makes us unique? They talk about their collaborative vision, their powerful innovation, and they also talk about we connect businesses and the people they serve. So they talk about their journey as well. Obviously, kind of a roadmap in the opposite direction, showing you guys what they've really accomplished in their entirety since founded in 2012. Yeah. So it is just, like I said, a great company to really focus on and try to find more research on, because I do think, when it comes out of this SEC class action, I do think we are going to see some increases, and we're going to be talking about price predictions, like I said, for May, June, and 2021. But if you go to their website, ripple.com, you can find out more information on Ripple before investing. I definitely suggest doing that research. They talk about moving money to all corners of the world, discover why hundreds of financial institutions choose RippleNet to provide a better payments experience and enable greater economic opportunity for everyone everywhere. So it just goes through the, a new era of finance. We're not going to go into too much details because we kind of went into it with their about as well as some of the tweets, but there's a lot to go into here, and I think we really are seeing the future play a part here of what Ripple can actually accomplish and do in our future. So jumping back to XRP, let's give it a quick refresh, see where we're at right now. We are at that $1.60, about a 15% increase still. So the $72.8 billion market cap, we do see still a lot of potential left, which is crazy to think that we could easily see a $100 billion market cap for XRP in the near future. So I do think by the end of May, we will continue to see some kind of increase. I do think there will be some stabilization and corrections on the way to the end of May. However, I do think we will see an increase of about $1.75 to $2 mark. I think we will maybe reach that all-time high. It'll be very close to $1.75 to $2. Obviously, $1.96 falls in that range. It'll be very close to a new all-time high. We'll continue to push right around it, and I'm sure, but it's going to be an increase overall, and I think a lot of people are going to be happy with the increase we see in May and June. So talking about May, I guess June now, I do see us getting past that $1.96 for sure. I think we do reach a new all-time high, hopefully for the first time reaching into that $2 mark. I think, it has what it takes. Obviously, if you go back very far, you can go to January 3rd. We had a 384 price point. And I will say, guys, I'm talking when I say all-time high about our recent history in the last year. We obviously, our recent year, we've only gone to $1.96. So, previous all-time high, obviously, we aren't going to reach, I don't think, in June even. I think, in June, we could easily push right around a $3 price point. But realistically, I always try to keep these conservative price predictions. So I'm going to say 250 is our price target for XRP by the end of June. If we can reach 250, I think we are on a good path. I think it'll be more of a gradual increase in late May and early June. That really pushes us to that $2.50 mark by the end of June. I think we could do much more than this, guys. Remember, this is a price prediction that I always go conservative on so that you guys can understand that this is where I honestly believe if there's no huge changes in what's happening in the crypto market, this is about where I expect it to be. By the end of 2021, this is the one most people are waiting for. I do think, obviously, with, all of this lawsuits, it does depend on quite a bit of that kind of stuff. But I will say, for the most part, it looks like XRP could easily push its way closer and closer to about a $6 to $7 coin. I think that's definitely a possibility. Going that 5 to 6x is definitely potentially possible. I think about a $6 to $7 token is right about where it stands. I did a lot of research trying to figure out where I want to pin this one because I haven't done too many XRP videos recently. I want to start doing more of them. But we did do some in the past, and I've talked about price points. I think $6 to $7 is that realistic price point that makes a lot of sense based on the previous price charts as well as the recent activity and kind of the news that's really going around. So $6 to $7, that's where I'm going to pin it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, like the video, and turn notifications on to be notified every time I make a new video. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are awesome. Thanks for the support. I'll see you guys all in the next one.